Alternatives to FUE hair transplants are obviously that the patient doesn't have to do anything. So keep balding, shave the head, and be happy with it. The other alternatives are using the more traditional methods of hair restoration, so like a strip procedure. Strip procedure is still being done, but it has its own consequences, its own complications. Patients has to know exactly what he's receiving and what are the problems that could not be easily reversed. The other alternative is SMP, or scalp micropigmentation, which is putting small pigments into the scalp that minimizes the contrast between the skin color and hair color, and basically hides the baldness, so that appears see-through effect that shows that your thinning hair is going to be gone. So if hair loss has ever been a problem in your life, we have so many options. FUE hair restoration is one of the best options for restoring hair in most type of pattern hair losses. Also, with different types of hair loss like beard hair loss or patchy hair loss of different types that could be treated with hair restoration, FUE hair restoration is one of the best options today for restoring your hair naturally and with minimal complications and side effects. So if you are planning to do this, find a hair transplant doctor who are capable of giving you the result that you want. There's so many websites out there like Cosmetic Town that can give you information about how to get prepared and how to find the right choice of cosmetic surgery. I hope you learned from this video and that could have answered some of your questions. Thank you for watching.